Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring one of the most beloved and popular fast food items of all time, chicken nuggets. So let's get started. Take bread slices, cut the brown parts from the sides. Cut the slices into small parts. Take a grinder, grind it into a mixture. Make breadcrumbs out of it. Add boneless chicken in the breadcrumbs. Add ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, paprika powder, white pepper powder, salt. Grind it again into a fine mixture. Don't add water in it. Add oil. Knead it with light hands. Chicken dough is ready. Spread the chicken dough like this. Press it with your hand. Cut the edges and make a perfect rectangle. You can remove the extra part from the sides. Cut the nuggets dough into small cubes like this, or you can give the shape as per your choice. Chicken nuggets are ready in cubes. You can keep it aside. In a bowl, add egg, milk, some salt, pepper powder. Mix it well with the help of the whisker. In another bowl, take breadcrumbs. Add little food color if required for the amazing color of the nuggets. Dip the nuggets in egg mix. Coat it with breadcrumbs immediately. Follow the same process for all the nuggets. At this stage, you can also refrigerate the nuggets for 3 months in the refrigerator. Deep fry the nuggets in piping hot oil till golden brown in color. Chicken nuggets are fried and golden in color. You can plate and serve hot. This is so crispy and juicy. Enjoy with any choice of your dip. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.